The goal of my workshop today isn't necessarily just to teach you a bunch of tricks to help you shoot better smartphone video, although you will learn that. My goal today is to help you unlock some potential that exists in your organization. Look at this smartphone not as a video creation tool, but as a window into what makes your organization really special. As communicators, we have a responsibility to think about the messaging of the content that we're putting in front of people and to go deeper. Raise your hand if one of these is kind of maybe a hang-up for you with producing video in your organization. All right. People who watch this video will what? And that should be do, know, or feel. Volunteer to start with. Somebody who doesn't mind me interviewing them. There we go, come on up. There, perfect. And you're just gonna talk to Derek, and he's gonna ask you the question so I can focus on what I'm doing. We forget about what we can do as the person recording video to make ourselves feel comfortable, and then thereby making the interviewee feel even more comfortable, right? And I'm gonna pass this around just so you can see it and touch it and show and tell kind of thing. I'd like to have back. So what we do is we light with the key on one side and the fill on the other, so we have still well lit, but a little bit of unevenness. Locking your exposure. Let's get a little technical. Everybody get your phone out. This is the downside to the auto exposure and auto focus of your phone. I'm gonna send you on a bit of a little scavenger hunt, okay? You're gonna do an interview. You're gonna shoot me a wide shot, a medium shot, and a tight shot. We're gonna pair up. Awesome.
I did, yeah.
So you're okay. So you're a veteran, a Hyperlapse veteran. How are we doing over here?
Usually I don't.
So if you go to settings,
Yep.
what do we find? Well, you were doing so great. I'm so proud of you. So what else? One more thing that we could have improved.